The Indian business landscape witnessed a heated controversy in April 2025 involving yoga guru Baba Ramdev and the iconic beverage brand Rooh Afza. The controversy erupted when Ramdev, during the launch event of Patanjali's new rose Sharbat, made inflammatory remarks targeting Rooh Afza. He referred to the popular drink as Sharbat Jihad, accusing its manufacturer, Hamdard Laboratories, of using profits to fund religious institutions like mosques and madrasas. Ramdev's comments, delivered with his characteristic flamboyance, quickly went viral on social media, sparking widespread outrage and accusations of inciting communal disharmony. His remarks were seen as an attempt to promote Patanjali's product by demonizing a competitor and exploiting religious sentiments. The controversy highlighted the growing influence of religious rhetoric in the Indian consumer market and the potential for brands to exploit such sentiments for commercial gains. Rooh Afza, a beloved beverage brand with a century-old legacy in India, enjoys a significant market share and cultural relevance, particularly during the holy month of Ramadan. The drink, known for its cooling properties, is a staple in many Indian households, transcending religious and cultural boundaries. Ramdev's attempt to paint the brand as anti-Hindu drew sharp criticism from various quarters, including politicians, celebrities, and the general public. The controversy also brought to light the often blurred lines between business rivalry and religious sentiments in India. Critics accused Ramdev of using a sensitive issue to malign a competitor and gain a competitive edge. The incident sparked a debate about the responsibility of public figures and businesses in promoting communal harmony and avoiding divisive rhetoric, especially in a diverse and pluralistic society like India. The Delhi High Court, taking suo moto cognizance of the matter, came down heavily on Baba Ramdev for his Sharbat Jihad remarks. The court expressed its strong disapproval, characterizing his statements as indefensible and shocking to the court's conscience. The judges emphasized that such inflammatory language could incite communal tensions and damage social harmony. The High Court ordered Patanjali Ayurved, Ramdev's company, to immediately remove all videos and social media posts containing the controversial remarks. The court also directed Patanjali to submit an affidavit within 5 days, outlining the steps taken to comply with the order, and assuring the court that such statements would not be repeated in the future. During the hearing, Patanjali's lawyer assured the court that the company respected the judiciary and would comply with its directives. He acknowledged the sensitivity of the issue and stated that Patanjali had already initiated the process of removing the objectionable content from all platforms. The lawyer also emphasized Patanjali's commitment to promoting communal harmony and upholding the law. The High Court's intervention sent a strong message against hate speech and the misuse of religious sentiments for commercial gains. The court's prompt action was widely lauded as a necessary step to curb the spread of divisive rhetoric and protect the social fabric of the country. The case also served as a reminder of the judiciary's role in holding individuals and corporations accountable for their actions, regardless of their stature or influence. Following the High Court's condemnation and orders, Baba Ramdev defended his stance, claiming that his remarks were taken out of context and blown out of proportion. He denied specifically naming any brand or community in his statements, suggesting that Hamdard's strong reaction implied their guilt, and confirmed his suspicions about the alleged funding of religious institutions. Ramdev argued that his comments were intended to raise awareness among followers of Sanatan Dharma about the alleged financial practices of certain companies. He emphasized the need for transparency and accountability in the use of profits earned from businesses, implying that consumers have a right to know how their money is being utilized. Furthermore, Ramdev accused Hamdard and its supporters of playing the victim card and attempting to stifle his freedom of speech. He maintained that he was well within his rights to express his views and concerns, however controversial they might be. He reiterated his commitment to serving the nation and promoting the interests of Hindus, often aligning his business ventures with his Hindutva ideology. Ramdev's defense was met with mixed reactions. While his supporters rallied behind him, accusing the media and his opponents of twisting his words, critics dismissed his explanations as an attempt to evade responsibility for his divisive remarks. The controversy further polarized public opinion, with some praising Ramdev for his boldness and others condemning him for his inflammatory rhetoric. In response to Baba Ramdev's allegations and the ensuing controversy, Hamdard Laboratories took legal action against him, filing a defamation lawsuit in the Delhi High Court. Hamdard sought damages for the alleged harm caused to its reputation and brand image due to Ramdev's false and malicious statements. The lawsuit accused Ramdev of making baseless accusations to promote his own product at the expense of a competitor. Hamdard's legal team, led by senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, argued that Ramdev's comments constituted hate speech and were aimed at inciting communal discord. They emphasized the severity of his remarks, highlighting the potential for such statements to disrupt social harmony and incite violence against a particular community. This legal battle is the latest in a series of controversies and legal challenges faced by Patanjali and its founders. In recent years, Patanjali has been embroiled in various disputes, including allegations of misleading advertisements, violation of food safety regulations, and financial irregularities. These controversies have dented the brand's image and raised questions about its business practices. The outcome of Hamdard's lawsuit could have significant implications for both brands and set a precedent for future cases involving hate speech and commercial rivalry. A ruling against Ramdev could further damage Patanjali's reputation and impact its market share. On the other hand, a victory for Ramdev could embolden him and his supporters, potentially fueling further controversies and polarization.